According to a recent survey with integration professionals, more than 98% of integrations need to be rebuilt. Let's face it, the tools you have for integration fall short. Traditional integration platforms are complex, expensive, and have steep learning curves, requiring you to hire specialized resources. Solutions built for business users can't handle mission-critical use cases that keep your enterprise up and running. Introducing Digibee, a low-code enterprise integration platform that enables business agility without taking shortcuts or adding technical debt. Digibee helps you deliver integrations up to 75% faster than traditional solutions. We eliminate showstoppers. Achieve self-sufficiency with the flexibility to connect from any source of any type to any destination, on-prem and in the cloud. Designed and developed by integration experts, Digibee helps solve complex integrations at scale with a focus on reusability. You and your teams can build the connections you need faster and more securely. Trusted by more than 250 enterprise customers, Digibee is changing the way the world thinks about integrations. Enterprise integration redesigned.